of this is real. Could you see my scars getting healed? We got this depth on the surface, all our layers are getting peeled.
If you've followed the first country house journey that I did, or indeed any of the houses that I've spruced up across various different TV shows over the years, you'll know that I'm all about future-proofing that house with technology, and more so tech that helps reduce the amount of time it takes to do the mundane things at your house. And in particular, technology that helps give you your weekends back so you can actually enjoy the house rather than spend the entire weekend working on it. And those of you who followed me on social media over the years will know that I love to get stuck in testing different power tools and garden tools and trying stuff out. And it's all in the aim to give you that professional standard look on your garden. Annie's hilltop house here is just beautiful. I mean, the gardens were already fantastic when I bought it, but the lawns really, they're just full of seasonal weeds and different grasses. And plus, as soon as the sun comes out too, I'm having to push the mower around this entire 2,300 square meters of sloping block. Not ideal. So today, I am reclaiming my weekends, I'm taking back my leisure time, and I am installing a robot mower from Husqvarna because I think they're the best on the market, and also it is the perfect thing for my place given I am on a sloping block. This is the Husqvarna 430X Nero with EPOS technology. It's like the next generation of robot mowers, and it actually doesn't need a boundary wire installed around the entire perimeter of your lawns. It is genius. So on the chimney, we've installed a reference station, and that's what actually connects to the satellites in the sky. Then that station beams down all the information to the mower wirelessly, telling it where my garden bed is, where it should go, where it should stop, where it should turn, and I can even program separate zones to mow more often if there's a patch of lawn that's perhaps growing a little bit faster than the others. And of course, yes, it's all controlled via an app. So you can use this thing to create all of your invisible boundaries so it knows where to stop and everything. And you can create keep out zones and work areas. So if you've got garden beds or a driveway or you're seeding a new patch of lawn, you can tell it to keep out of there as well. And you can even control it so that it will cut different areas at different heights as well. So the lawn itself is so lush, it's so thick, and with the 430X Nero, you can set individual work areas to have either a random mowing pattern, you can do parallel lines, you can do checkerboard, you can even get it to cut in diamond shapes. It is absolutely incredible, and it's all designed as well for sloping blocks. So my particular mower on my house here does a sloping block, so it will adjust that power usage accordingly and get the most out of that battery life. As with all of the Husqvarna models, it really is all about that exceptional quality and the build of these. There is little to no maintenance, and when it comes time to changing those blades, it is super simple to do. This machine is reliable, it just keeps going and going and going, and it gets the job done. There are a number of different Husqvarna Automower models that have the EPOS and the Nero technology inside them, all ranging for various different conditions and different locations. The best bet is to visit your local Husqvarna store and go inside and have a look at them and ask what might work for your place. Or you can begin your search on their website. It is husqvarna.com.au. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to have a cold beverage, sit on my balcony and watch this bad boy get to work. Next time